Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning to everyone. Dear friends, it's a lazy Sunday, but I'm not the lazy one. I'm really very excited, and today I'm making this video after a request from my well wishers and my friends, my dear kids, who always wanted me to share my updates. So guys, this is the new place where I am living in, and recently, as I already informed you, I got transferred to Kandhamal from Banjnagar. So dear friends, so it's a Sundays and I have no much assignment for this day, and because I'm quite new here, so I have not been allotted any work here, and I'm just dealing with subjects and doing my work. Okay, so this is my new place, and I have really something very exciting and amazing thing for you. See, so this is the way. This is I'm just sitting on the bed and see what I have for you. Okay, I'm moving the camera that side. Whoa, see guys. Okay, let me do. So see guys, this is the scenario from my window, right? I'm just sitting on my bed and just see how splendid, how gorgeous the day is, and the looks from here is just amazing, very splendid. Okay, it's just the early morning, and the rising sun have made this small and compacted town into a little activities people can be found here. This is the place. This is not the market area. This is the settlement at the outskirt of the town, and I'm living here. It's very beautiful, right? The day is quite clear today, and you can find varieties of weather in this place. This is the place called Kandhamal, right? And there is no such place in the name of Kandhamal. There is no particular place. The entire area of the district is called Kandhamal, and Kandhamal thereby means the forest land of the Kanda tribes. Forest land of the Kanda tribes, and this place is the headquarter. This is Phulwani, and it is the headquarter of the district, and it is a very beautiful place. It's the early morning, and you can find the beautiful rays of sunlight. The sky is quite clear now, right? It's so beautiful. You can find the beautiful weather today. Weather is quite very changeable in this place. You will have experience. You will have to experience every sort of climate in this place. Every sort of climate in this place. I'm just showing you every sort of climate in this place. And it is known for the its splendid and awesome beauty of this place. Now it is heavy wintry, and people here just wake up right after 7 o'clock. So we have also delayed for an hour. We do not go to school at 7:30. We need to report it at 8:30. That is the official time here. Right. It's very heavy wintry because of this and topography here. It's very forested areas, as well as surrounded by mountain everywhere, so it beats very wintry. a little bit wintry, very wintry. You can experience heavy wintry during the month of December and January. This time also we are experiencing the wintry, but it is a little mild right now. The Celsius may goes down very soon, but things are okay till now. So guys, I really it's just a treatment to my eyes when I behold these beautiful things. It's a kind of feast for my eyes, for any beholder, right? Is just amazing, right? I'm just sitting on my bed and I just witness this beautiful sight whenever I feel any sort of mental discomfort or any kind of, right, when I feel a little bow, I just peer through my window and witness beautiful place, and the scenario makes me just delighted and make my day. See guys, so this is all about this video. It's a very beautiful day, and in the upcoming videos I will keep you updated about the different beautiful locales of this area, beautiful places of this area, and there are many beautiful streams out there in Kandhamal. In the deep forest of Kandhamal you will find a lot of streams, lot of fountain, and they provide a very very beautiful view. And right, so market area is just in front of my room. Okay, this side only, this is the back side. Like here you will not find the market, you will just have the settlement here. Okay guys, in the next video I will keep you updated about the different places, and I'm going to very soon the video from my school. Okay, I will show you the beautiful school, the massive buildings. Okay, and so keep watching my videos and I will update you everything. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.